Guys, does the view behind me look like the place where the popular drama To the Wonder was shot? I'm at a Kazakh settlement in the interior of Altai. So the people around come here to sell or buy cattle and exchange things. Doesn't it look like a store? That's an interesting lady. Let me talk to her. Knowing we've come from Beijing to visit Xinjiang, she invites us to her home to have some tea. Here's your tea. Sit and drink it. She is making milky tea. Ma'am, I've got this. Let me show it for them. There is milk. Then add the tea. So it's a milky tea. Did you two build this house or inherit it from your parents? We came here in 1959. 1959. You're building yourselves. There was no such a house in 1959. We built it in 1996. He arrived here in 1959 and built this house in 1996. Isn't adobe? How many people here in 1959? We just live in tents with walls and rows. No houses like this. No houses? Not at all. Life now is the best. We couldn't even have enough food before. Now we have better roads and houses. Life is good. What an optimistic gentleman. When did you move here and live? In which months do you come? We come in April. You come to Greece in summer? We come in summer and return in winter. How many children do you have? Sons and daughters? 4 daughters and 1 son. They are nearby. My son will come to check the shelter to see if he's well and then go back. Does he work here? Yeah, he works there. He has work to do, so he brought the dove here for his parents. You come here in hot days. But why don't you stay with your son? Our son has a house there. Okay, we have a house here. He has 2 gray hair, so his son has his own house. They have there. There is no place to graze there. Alright, so they drive the sheep here in April because the grass here. When they have reaped the wheat, the sheep may find food here. Sir, ma'am, we have to go. We've got videos to shoot. Thank you so much. May you always be healthy. A milk lump from the lady. Its taste actually sour and sweet. Great. They want to take a photo with you. The gentleman won't take a photo with us beside the national flag.